Kia ora, my name is Warren Dion Smith. I'm one of the hair and makeup artists here for Cousins. The experience for me working on Cousins has been an emotional and a sort of gratifying experience where learning about each character has their own sort of special meaning.
How do you get into a job like this? This is a really big job and it's really important.
I feel really blessed that I've been able to join sort of like productions with Miss Whenua, and the fact is that this was my first Māori production that I've actually worked on, so I came off Avatar to work on this, and I mean it was a no-brainer. I just thought, as soon as I was asked, I didn't even read the script, I just knew that this was the one I wanted to work on.
Because you've worked on so many movies and films, like legendary movies and films. What is your favourite? Like, what was your favourite film to work on, or movie?
Probably King Kong was one of the ones that when I really started stepping up as a hair and makeup artist. But after leaving home, I just knew that this is what I wanted to do. But knowing that hair and makawea was a tapu kind of feel, I always felt like I had a gift to be able to work with, and being Māori, no one really applied that, so it was very separated between cultures and film. This is the part that it's quite tiring, but the fact that there's 4 people playing one character, like Missy, Mata and Makareta, that's like, I've never done that before, and working with the tamariki from like 4 years old all the way up to adult, has been amazing, and getting the right textures for the hair and the right look, and then shooting wedding scenes, and then later on we'll be shooting tangi scene, and that's going to be quite full on. Working with the homeless side, that's been quite emotional as well. It's really up and down. This is an emotional movie. This is going to be like take a box of tissues, because probably that's not even going to be enough.
Do you find yourself changing people's like looks quite often, like dyeing hair, shaving?
That's a good thing, because Kiani, she was 5 hours of getting her hair coloured, sitting there for a 7-year-old, an 8-year-old, sitting there for 5 hours. Not even really adults can't even do that. And then having to do hariata, so that was very quick, and then Cohen, so colouring their hair red, and they were all just watching them fall into character has been really awesome to see. I started on the marae, so what an awesome place for everyone to be on their marae, and when I did that I was, used to cut my nan's hair, and I was even doing makeup on my face even at the age of 3, so it was like, they allowed me to do that. But I knew that working with hair was a special thing. You just didn't go and cut someone's hair, you didn't just touch somebody's scalp, and you just made sure you respected everyone. And that was from all age groups for this, so I knew that I was in a safe place, but I knew that this was the movie for me. And probably I guess this is probably one of the most powerful. What I find most beautiful about this movie is that they look in this mirror and they see their nan, and they see their mum, and they see all of the aunties who are no longer here, and that's the most special part. Every time I do a hairstyle, they say they see their mum, and their mum's been gone for so long. That's so special.